Starting in Qlik NPrinting February 2019, you can change the size of images exported from QlikView and Qlik Sense. We are going to add this chart as an image to an Excel report. By default, the image will have the same dimensions as it did in the original Qlik Sense app or QlikView document. You can reduce the image size by modifying max height and max width. However, reducing the size means that some of the bars from the chart are cut out. To manage how much data will be displayed, insert a value in pixels in the data displayed fields. For example, let's set the height to 400 pixels and the width to 600. As you can see, the image is now showing all the chart data. Qlik NPrinting does this by resizing the image at the dimensions you have chosen. It then zooms in to take a snapshot of all the possible data. Exported images have several sizing options. For example, Don't Fit will use your data displayed settings as the output size and ignore your max height and width settings. If you select Fit Inside, the image height and width remain the same or are reduced proportionally until both are smaller than the settings in the template. You can also choose Fit Height. In this case, image height remains the same or changes to the height set in the template, whichever is smaller. Image width is adjusted proportionally. If you choose Fit Width, image width remains the same or changes to the width set in the template, whichever is smaller. Image height is adjusted proportionally. The stretch option increases or decreases image size until both dimensions are the same as set in the template. The data displayed aspect ratio is not maintained. These sizing options are also available in Word, PowerPoint, and HTML report templates. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.